guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x equals 24. Now what I'm first going to do is from the left-hand side, because we have 3 terms that are the same, I'm actually going to factor out 2 to the power of x from this. So now we have 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of x is 1, plus, same thing, 1, and plus, same thing once again, 1. And this equals 24. So now we have 2 to the power of x times 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 24. Now, if we add what's in the parentheses, so 1 plus 1 plus 1, we get 3. So we get 2 to the power of x times 3 is equal to 24. Now I actually want to isolate this here, 2 to the power of x. So to do that, I'm going to divide by 3 on both sides to cancel out this 3. So if I divide by 3 on both sides, these two cancel out, and I'm left with 2 to the power of x on the left-hand side is equal to 24 divided by 3 is 8. So 8, we could actually write 8 as 2 to the power of 3. So I'm going to rewrite 8 as 2 to the power of 3. So now we have 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 3. And because these two bases here are the same, this also means that the exponents are the same as well, meaning that this is equal to this. So x is equal to 3. So this is our answer. Now, if I plug this in to our equation here, we have 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 24. Now 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So now we have 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 24. Now 8 plus 8 is 16 and 16 plus 8 is 24. So we are left with 24 is equal to 24. And this is right, so we know our solution is right. Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x to the power of x to the power of 4 equals 64. So now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the power of 4 on both sides. So now we have x to the power of x to the power of 4 to the power of 4 is equal to 64 to the power of 4. So now if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n, right? And a to the power of m times n is also equal to a to the power of n times m. Meaning I could rewrite this as a to the power of n to the power of m. So right here, as you see, we have x to the power of x plus 4 to the power of 4. Think of x to the power of 4 as m, and 4 as n. I could actually switch the places of these two, meaning I could rewrite this as x to the power of 4 to the power of x to the power of 4. And this is equal to, now I'm going to rewrite 64 as 8 squared. So now we have 8 squared to the power of 4. Now remember, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n, meaning a to the power of 2 to the power of 4. This is equal to 8 to the power of 2 times 4, which is 8 to the power of 8. So if we have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, and then this also means that a is equal to b. And as you can see right here, we have x to the power of 4 to the power of x to the power of 4 equals 8 to the power of 8. This means that x to the power of 4 is equal to 8. So now to cancel this power out, I'm actually going to take the root of 4 on both sides. So now these two cancel out, and I'm left with x is equal to positive or negative square root of, sorry, not square root, root 4 of 8. And this can also be written as 8 to the power of 1/4. And this can also be written as 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 1/4. And remember, we multiply m with n, so this is equal to 2 to the power of 3/4. So this is our answer.